How to Measure Angles by Debbie Anderson. Angles are measured in units called degrees. An entire circle is 360 degrees. A straight line, which is half of a circle, is 180 degrees. A right angle measures 90 degrees. Acute angles measure less than 90 degrees. Obtuse angles are greater than 90 degrees, but less than 180 degrees. In order to measure an angle, you will need a protractor. Protractors are clear so that you can see the angle under it. They come in full circles or in half a circle like this one. There are two sets of numbers going in different directions. That's why it's important to know the names of the different types of angles when determining angles measurements. If an angle is an acute angle, you know that it will be the smaller of the two numbers. If the angle is an obtuse angle, it will be the larger of the two numbers. The first step in measuring an angle is to line up the vertex of the angle on the middle mark at the bottom of the protractor. The vertex is where the two lines meet. The next step is to determine the size of the angle. Look on the protractor to determine the measurement. When in doubt as to which number it is, ask yourself what type of angle it is. On this example, the line is on the 120 and the 60. Because the angle is an obtuse angle, we know that it is larger than 90 and less than 180 degrees. Therefore, the size of this angle is 120 degrees. Can you guess the size of this angle? If you guessed 50 degrees, you are correct. How do we know that it is 50 degrees and not 130 degrees? Because the angle is an acute angle. Acute angles are less than 90 degrees, so therefore this angle has to measure 50 degrees. What is the size of this angle? If you guess 95 degrees, you are correct. It is 95 degrees because it is an obtuse angle. Obtuse angles are larger than 90 degrees. Now you know how to measure an angle.